Hello, and welcome to this lecture. We will talk about the best practices for choosing the right type of content for your marketing. Choosing the right type of content can be a challenge, but with these best practices, you can ensure that your content aligns with your marketing goals and reaches your target audience effectively. First, we need to identify the goals and objectives of our content marketing plan. Second, we need to understand the needs and interests of our target audience. Third, we need to determine the best format for our message. The first step in choosing the right type of content is to identify your goals and objectives. Your content should align with your overall marketing goals, so make sure to think about what you want to achieve with your content marketing plan. For example, if your goal is to increase website traffic, you might choose types of content like blog posts or social media posts that are easy to share and can drive traffic to your website. The next step is to understand the needs and interests of your target audience. Your content should address the needs and interests of your target audience, so make sure to consider what they want to see and learn from your content. For example, if your target audience is interested in saving money, you might choose types of content like money-back guarantees or cost-saving tips that address this interest. Finally, you should determine the best format for your message. The type of content you choose should be appropriate for the message you want to convey. So think about what will be the most effective way to share your message with your target audience. For example, if you want to provide in-depth information about a topic, you might choose an e-book or webinar. If you want to showcase a product or service, you might choose a video or product demonstration. In conclusion, when choosing the right type of content, it's important to consider your marketing goals and objectives, the needs and interests of your target audience, and the best format for your message. The type of content you choose should be appropriate for the message you want to convey, address the needs and interests of your target audience, and align with your overall marketing goals and objectives. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to choose the right type of content for your marketing.